Are you ready for an unboxing video? Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're returning, you have amazing taste. Here we talk about luxury, beauty, fashion, and travel. If any of those things interest you, go ahead, hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you are notified of all of my amazing videos. Okay. Listen, your girl having one of them days. Your girl having one of them days. You hear me? You ever put an outfit on and you don't like the outfit, but the outfit was so hard to put on, you just kept it on? That is this outfit currently. So yeah, it's just not giving what it's supposed to have gave. It's not giving what it's supposed to have gave. So I'm gonna just push through this video. So on today's video, what I'm gonna do today is a quick unboxing on some of the things that I got off of my luxury wish list. So let's get to the getting on my unicorn piece, the piece that has been on my wish list for years, but I haven't been able to find one at the price point I was willing to spend and in a color that I wanted, because I have vowed to not buy any more black handbags. Even though I got a couple black handbags I'm gonna unbox, I've already purchased them, but moving forward I do not want any more black or brown handbags because I got too many. So can you guys guess what this is? Can you guess? I am super duper excited. Boom! It is the Chanel vanity bag, vintage Chanel vanity bag in, I would say, this lipstick red color. And it is, you know, the top is a little bit worn, which I'm okay with. It's in, you know, pretty good condition for the age. I have not cleaned it up yet. I can easily spruce it up, but that is the bag. It is in good shape. It's not tearing up on the inside. Y'all, I used some. I need to clean it up, but I used some. I don't like it. I must have used too much. I was trying to shine up the hardware, but I don't. I think I used Brazzo, and it like left. Anyway, the inside of the bag is in good condition. It has a faint vintage smell, but not bad. I can easily get that out. It's not like one of those smells that you can't get out. It just smells, you know, a little vintage or whatever. So I am super duper excited about that. Was able to get this at an amazing price. You hear me? Amazing price. If you can find this bag, for less than $1,000, you are doing super duper good. So let me tell you guys what I plan on doing with the bag. Okay, so I bought these D-rings. I ended up getting another size. So the goal is I'm going to put the D-ring, these were too big, so I got another size that's perfect. So you put the D-rings on the sides of the handle, and then you're able to attach so I'll leave the D-rings that works for this bag if you have this bag in the description box below. So then you're able to attach any type of handle. I just got this, you know, I'll also leave this. It's not the exact same color, but it works. You could also not use the D-ring and just like kind of tie it around like that, and then tie it. But I just felt like not having the D-rings would mess up, like eventually it's going to mess up and scratch the bag, even though the bag is scratched, you know, and is very part. I just didn't want to further scratch the bag up. It's kind of a situation where I like the bag the way it is, though it's got some wear on it. I could wear this bag and then when I get tired of it, send it to leather surgeons and have them spruce it up, which is what I plan on doing. When I send things to leather surgeons, I like to just send them a couple things, like once a year, just send them over a few bags. I will probably just wear this bag as is for now, and then when I get tired of it, send it to leather surgeons. So like I said, I didn't even put it in my wish list because it was kind of one of those things that when you see it, you just gotta grab it type of situation. So that's that. And then the second unicorn piece, y'all, now this was a score. You hear me? A score. So I was at if you follow me on Instagram, especially my stories, you can kind of see when I'm doing my my shopping. So I went to a estate sale in my area and came across, like I said, this unicorn piece. It did not come in this box. I'm just doing this for dramatics. Can you guess what's inside of here? When I tell y'all I am super duper excited about this. What? Bam! I ain't gonna show y'all the price. A Chanel. Let me take the price off because y'all ain't gonna believe what I paid for it. And I don't want y'all, you know what I'm saying? I don't want y'all, you know, thinking that's the price that you normally get or whatever. So I ain't even gonna share the deal. A vintage Chanel belt in great condition. Usually this belt is called the Chanel Camden something belt. Usually these belts, the leather is like peeling, or the hardware is super scratched up. Whoever had this belt literally just kept it in the closet. So I am super duper excited. So I can show y'all what. Now this is the wrong outfit for this. When I tell you this belt is so cute, this, I can't even put it on with this. But anywho, I'm gonna just let y'all see it a little bit. So you put it right there and then it dangles. Now you're not gonna be able to see it because of the outfit I got on, but I am super, and I can fit it, because usually if you find this belt, it's super duper teeny tiny, and I have my waist is not, you know, the biggest. My waist, you know, I'll average between a 28 and 30 waist, depending on, you know, how I eat or whatever. It's closer to the 30 right now. I'm going back, you know, I'm working on my way back down. But anyway, I can fit it, and it still has, you know, a little bit of dangle. This outfit is poofy, so it's just, you talking about a unicorn piece? What? You can wear this as a necklace if you want to. It's just, you know, I'm just super duper excited. This also was something that was on my mental wish list, but I did not include it in the wish list just because it's kind of one of those pieces that you gotta run across. You know what I'm saying? It's you just gotta run across it. So super duper excited about this piece. The last thing I got that I'm going to show you guys in this video, we're gonna just use the same box and be dramatic. Ooh, listen to the box. I'm unboxing it. Okay, so this is another Chanel piece that I had the bright idea, so I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. So this is called a Chanel cigarette. It's either a cigarette holder or a, I'm thinking it's a phone. I'm thinking it may be a cigarette pouch. It's either, because it's Camden, I don't know if phones, it's either a cigarette pouch or a phone holder. You know, back in the day, the phones used to be super duper small. And what I love about this is the back of it. Can y'all see the back of it? It has the, you know, the loop that you can add to a belt or something. So let me tell you guys what I planned on doing with it. I had the bright idea. So I own this one. Comes with the leather, whatever. I took it off. So I bought this in Prague. I wear it sometimes, but most of the time I don't, because it like barely fits my phone. And so if I put my phone in there, then I kind of don't want to put nothing else in. So I figured, what? I can get the baby one, use the hook, put it on the strap, and then have myself a Chanel pochette. Make myself a little, you know, mini pochette type of situation. Or multi-pochette. Like make myself a multi-pochette situation with these. So again, these are, if I can find any of these, I'll leave them below. It's gonna be vintage, y'all. This is, you know, this is an old collection. But I thought that this was, you know, I got this at a steal before Chanel was ridiculous in Prague a few years back. And then this this was, you know, at a good price as well for what it is. And it's like, so you can find these, but a lot of times they won't have this little piece. So this is what sold it for me. So if I remember, I'll put it together and show you guys, you know, do a little screen or something. Yeah, so I was able to get some amazing unicorn pieces and scratch them off my wish list. I am being very intentional with my shopping, you guys. Though these videos that's going to be coming out, you're not going to believe me, but I'm being super duper intentional. Is my lash up? I hate when I see people when they lash be up in videos like that. The makeup artist in me be driving me crazy. So anyway, I was able to get some unicorn pieces. Some things that, like I said, you know, was on my wish list, but I never really put it on the wish list because it was kind of one of those things that you have to just look up and find. And that's the one thing about vintage that I love. They're unicorn pieces. You're not going to see anybody with a Chanel multi-pochette. And if Chanel is, you know, if y'all come out with this, I'm going to need my coins. You heard me. I'm going to need, run me my money. Run me my money. Run me my money. Run me my money. Okay? So, yeah. So I'm going to make a multi-pochette out of these two pieces. And then that way I can put my phone in here. You can also fit your phone back here, but it'd be dangerous to me. You know, you bend over to get something and your phone may fall out. And So put the phone in here, and then I can put my cards and stuff like that in here. So super duper cute. I am so excited about that. That is that. So you guys, let me know what your favorite piece was in this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And until next time, stay stylish, stay fabulous. Mwah. Hello and welcome back. Oh, okay. I don't like it. I'm not as serious as y'all think, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep that on there or not. And my lash is tripping. You know what? Just okay. Try not to talk with my hands. Just not giving what it's supposed to have gave.